What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2008 Chrysler 300 with the 5.7 engine, the Hemi engine, and today we're going to program a new key for this car. As you can see, the old one is a little bit busted, and we see obviously that one's programmed. The anti-theft will vanish right now, and now I already cut this key. It's a pretty standard cut. So right now we're gonna see the flashes, and the cool thing, this car lets you it's gonna let you turn on the car, but after 3 runs it would not start anymore. So we just have 3 tries before we correctly program the key. Alright, so first we start by going to immobilizer. We accept that and we do the automatic pin detection, which is a really cool feature in this scanner, the IM608. Now we're gonna select okay. It says if it's older, we're gonna select, if it's older of 2006, we're gonna select manual selection for the pin code retrieval. But for this one, we're just gonna hit OK because it's a little bit newer than the other ones. So right now we're gonna just wait. Alright, and we're gonna read this pin blade key. It says switch the ignition off and then on without starting the engine. We press OK, and it should give us the pin number to program the key. Alright, as you can see, the password is 3132. So for that we go to immobilizer scanner. Again, it's a really cool feature because it's gonna scan the whole system, all of it. It's gonna tell you if it has problems in the immobilizer or something like that. But as we can see, we have the correct pin number. It matches all of it, so it's gonna scan for trouble codes. Those codes are because I put a new key without programming it. So we're gonna see what's going on. This is a really nice thing to have, scanning the whole thing, because sometimes we don't know what's wrong with the system and we can diagnose really quick this. Alright, so we already read the pin code, and now we're gonna add a key, and we see the light still flashing. It says please make sure the ignition is off, and there's currently 2 keys programmed, so we're just gonna learn this one, and it puts the pin code automatically in this car. So we go there, we enter it, and the light should go off. Let's wait. Let's see. Please switch the ignition off and on again, and we press OK. And now it's gonna learn the key. Now we're gonna wait 30 seconds. Now it's done. The 30 seconds are done, and it successfully learned the key. So we press no because we don't want. And now we're gonna test our key. As we can see, we can unlock the car. And now we're gonna start it. Light should go off, and this is how you program a new key, guys, for a 2006 or 2008. It's pretty much almost the same years. I believe on 2008 they start using the key fob, but most of the basic models they start using this. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, smash the like button, and I'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye.